Okay, so today we are going to look at how to go and post your ads. Remember, you get ready-made ads for yourself. It's in the training. I'm going to show you where to find it. And then you can also use ChatGPT to get these high traffic websites that get millions of visitors. Okay, it's quite easy. The first thing I need you to do is go and download ChatGPT. Okay, then you're going to go into your Kajabi training and then also just log into the community as well. Right, so once you've downloaded ChatGPT, remember, make ChatGPT your best friend. It's really going to help you. Okay, it's going to really help you, and it's going to actually, it remembers your history. So the more you speak to ChatGPT, the more it's literally going to do the work for you, and this is where you're going to save your time. So what you can do is you can either go into ChatGPT and type in what you need to know, or you can just go into the microphone and talk to ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use the microphone. So this is what I'm going to do. Give me 10 high traffic websites where I can go and post about my business, where people are looking for jobs. So once you've done that, you're going to click on the mark, and then you are going to click on the arrow, and it's going to give you all the websites that you need. So it's thinking at the moment. Right. So now you can see ChatGPT has given you 10 or 11 ads, free ad websites that you can now go and use. So let's use free ads forum. Okay. I'm going to use that one. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go paste it in a new tab. So we can get into free ads forum and paste and enter. So once you get there, you're going to go into the site. Right, so once you are here, you can either go and log in if you've registered already, or you can go and register. Okay, right, so once you've logged in, I want you to go to your Kajabi training. Right, once you're in your Kajabi training, go into your Launchpad, and here you are going to scroll right down until you find how to post free ads on the internet. I want you to go and watch all these videos. Once you've watched the first video, you'll see right there at the bottom is where you're going to find all the already made um, ads for you. You're going to copy that and you're going to go paste it into a new tab. All right. And once you've done that, you are going to see all the ads that is already done for you. Right. Now, for instance, let's take ad number 1. Now you can go and just just change it to you. That's going to fit you. That's going to, like it says here, unlock $900 daily, just 2 hours and Wi-Fi needed. And description is dive into a life where earnings meet freedom. Discover how a 2-hour workday can yield $900 daily without monthly overheads. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this and I'm going to take it to ChatGPT and ask it to make it, to change it so that it can fit my profile. So what I'm doing here, ChatGPT, I'm saying use the following and do me an ad that will target single moms and dads. And I'm going to copy I'm going to paste what I've copied in that ad, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me. And here it's literally giving me. The title is Single Moms and Dads Build a Life of Freedom Working 2 hours a Day. And there it is. There's a nice ad that ChatGPT has just given you. So what you're going to do now is you're going to copy that. That's going to be your subject, and you're going to go to free ads. Okay. And here you are going to start a new ad. Okay. Now, here I'm going to put it under publish your ad. You're going to go to publish your ad, and here you're going to select a category. I'm going to just select, you can do it, you can do a business opportunity or jobs, whatever is going to suit you. I'm going to go on business opportunity, and I'm going to select subcategory work from home. Okay, or business opportunities or business for sale. You can go affiliate marketing, whatever thing you want to choose. Okay, I'm going to go work from home. And in the title, I'm going to paste my Build a Life of Freedom, working just 2 hours a day. Now I've done that. Now I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to go and copy the description. Um, and I'm going to copy that, go back to free ads, and I'm going to post it in there, paste it in there, and there's your ad. Look here, are you a single parent trying to balance work goals and time for your kids? It's time to dive into a life where earnings meet freedom. Discover how a simple 2-hour workday can help you earn up to $900 daily. Now you can just go and change whatever you want to over here. Okay, so you can even go and put in images. So I'm going to put in image of the Legacy Builder program, and I'm going to go find it over here. Let's go and find it. So here's my Legacy Builder images. I'm going to click on that, and I'm just going to go paste it in there. Right, location. Now make sure that you every day you post in exactly the same country, the same region, the same city. Okay, because remember, this is marketing. You need to be out there, just like TikTok. This is your account. Okay, you need to say the same thing, similar in the same place, because people are going to see you. Maybe the first day they're not going to click on your link. The second day they might see you again and they're going to click on your link. So let's just use, we're going to go United States, select a region. I'm going to use Alabama, and the city I'm also going to use, I'm just going to use Advil. City area, I don't even put that anything in there. And here you are going to literally put in your website, okay, your landing page. Mine is make money online with a. Here you're going to put keywords in. I go make money from home. You can go put side hustle. You can put all the keywords, because that's going to help people when they go into the website, when they're looking for something specific like make money from home. What's going to happen? Your ad is going to come up. Okay. I don't put in my phone number. You can do it if you want to. You can put in your Facebook link. But then if you have a YouTube channel, I would highly recommend that you literally put in your link of your YouTube, because here you're going to be able to also build subscribers. Okay, so I'm going to quickly fetch one of my videos in my YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel yet, it's fine. You're going to learn how to start with your YouTube channel as well, because remember, you can monetize on that. Okay. Right, so I'm here now in my YouTube channel. I'm going to use this Proverbs 31 video that I did, and I'm going to just share it. I'm going to copy the link, all right, and I'm going to go publish it here in my ad, right? Because remember, people like visual things, okay, so that they can go watch a video maybe. Okay, so what you need to do here, here's where they would just try and promote that they want you to pay for your ads, but you don't have to pay for it. You can just go and publish your ad. So what I'm going to do over here, I'm going to click on publish, and it's going to be busy publishing your ad. And there it is. Okay, so there's the ad, right? There's my ad now. It's been published. Okay, and that's all you need to do every day. I used to do this in the morning before I would go to work. Okay, I would open 10 websites and I would go post the exact same ad in different websites. Remember, you have to do this on a daily basis. It's going to take 30 minutes of your day. Why not? Why not take 30 minutes of your day, start building your email list, and then start building your YouTube channel as well, and start getting sales in, start getting people into your email list. So I hope this helped. If you have any questions, you are welcome to ask me.